Welcome back to the Creator Ops Matrix. I hope your operations are running lean and scaling profitably today. In this architectural breakdown, we are going to map out a zero-drop server-side data pipeline. We are going to look at exactly how to intercept raw Facebook lead ads, normalize the data formatting in real time, and route it perfectly into GoHighLevel. If your agency is piping Facebook lead ads directly into GoHighLevel using native integrations, you are bleeding cash. The native connection is incredibly fragile. The second a lead inputs an unformatted phone number, adds a weird character to their name, or a custom field payload shifts, the CRM API rejects the lead entirely. It vanishes into the void. It doesn't tell you it failed, and your client just paid $20 to Mark Zuckerberg for a ghost. If you are scaling ad spend, a 10% drop rate destroys your operating margins. Today, I am showing you the server-side architecture required to intercept those payloads, clean the dirty data, and guarantee a 100% delivery rate into your CRM. This is what a zero-drop pipeline looks like. Instead of forcing raw, unpredictable data directly into the CRM, we deploy a middleware engine. By the time the data hits GoHighLevel, first and last names are perfectly separated and capitalized. Phone numbers are stripped of spaces and forced into standard E164 formats so your automated SMS campaigns actually trigger. And most importantly, complex custom fields, like budget tiers or zip codes, are dynamically routed to assign specific tags before the contact is even created. Here is the exact macro-level data flow. We use make.com as our orchestration layer. If you try to build this complex routing in Zapier, you will be penalized with per-task pricing that wipes out your profits. Make.com utilizes operations-based pricing, which protects your agency margins at scale. Step 1. We sever the native Facebook connection entirely and replace it with a Make.com custom webhook. This acts as a net. It catches the raw JSON payload directly from the Meta API the millisecond the lead hits submit. Step 2 is the normalization phase. We run the payload through built-in text parsers. We force the email strings to lowercase, we strip out emojis, and we map the hidden Facebook lead ID so we can pass it back later for offline conversion tracking. Step 3 is the router. This is the logic engine, and it is where native integrations completely fail. Make.com reads the cleaned JSON payload, looks at the lead's specific answers, and splits the pipeline. If the lead selected West Coast on the form, they route to client sub-account A. If they selected East Coast, they route to sub-account B. Step 4. We execute the final post request, safely injecting the pristine data into the correct GoHighLevel environment. You now understand the architecture of a zero-drop lead engine. You can spend the next 6 hours inside Make.com manually mapping these JSON variables, setting up the router modules, fixing the data structures, and testing the API parameters. Or, you can bypass the manual build entirely. I packaged this exact architectural flowchart into a single, downloadable blueprint. You can grab the JSON file for free inside the Creator Ops Matrix Vault, import it into your own workspace, and have this enterprise pipeline running in under 3 seconds. The download link is the first line in the description below.